Fine, let's go. So bro, the lock is frozen because of the cold weather. This cold weather. It's a snowstorm. Holy shit, dude. Oh my god, dude. Sheesh. Lol. I might trip and slip. I don't know. There's nobody outside, dude. Whoa, 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 whoa. What the happened here? Ready, Diggy? Big. I want this one. I don't think this will be helpful, but जितना कर सकता हूँ उतना कर लेता हूँ. Oh shit, dude. I really have to go to an important place. Otherwise, I'll never leave my space in this weather. Oh shit, I'm cold as dude. नंबर प्लेट रहने दे कर लेते हैं यार. Three, two, one. Oh shit, dude. Look at my clothes. Welcome to Canada. It'll be fun, they said. The cold is just the bro. कितनी आ गई है? एक मिनट, एक 3 or 4 seconds के लिए मैंने खोला दरवाजा. And this happened. My clothes, the interior, the seats. God damn, dude. Where's my other phone? चेक करो, फौरन से दोबारा भी पड़ गई है.